Expressionless actors of Bollywood. Siddharth Malhotra. Model turned actor Siddharth got chance in Hollywood because of his good looks and heroic physique. Except for a good figure, this actor hasn't proved his versatility as an actor in Bollywood. Due to his expressionless, boring acting, his last some films didn't make any profit in the box office. Arjun Kapoor. Arjun Kapoor started his journey successfully from Ishaqzade, but unfortunately, his acting skill hasn't improved much. Whether it's a romantic hero or the role of a gangster, Arjun hasn't left any marks by his acting. From his facial expression to throwing dialogues on camera, nothing sinks according to this actor's expression. Tiger Shroff. This star kid got his passion for dancing and acting by his genes. Despite being a superb upcoming dancing star, Tiger still lacks some serious acting power. This actor has achieved his six-pack body and has every potential to be a hero, but Tiger should surely work on his own expression. John Abraham. There is no doubt that he is one of the action stuntmen in Bollywood, but when it comes to his facial expression, it seems like the whole dialogue has paused on his face only. Because he has some blank and clueless expressions on camera throughout the movies. He has been in this industry for more than 10 years but looks like he needs to work on his acting. Vidyut Jamwal. Another gym freak actor, Vidyut Jamwal, is famous for his macho look, but when it comes to acting in the film, this actor should work on his expression first. Suraj Pancholi. Being the star kid, Suraj Pancholi got his entry in Bollywood just because of his father. For his poor acting skill, he failed to impress the Bollywood audience. Arjun Rampal. Arjun is very passionate about his body, but good expression stays miles away from his face. He always does some predictable expressions on screen that makes his acting boring and dull. Imran Khan. This Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na actor has poor acting skills when it comes to versatility. For his numb and expressionless acting, Imran is now out of the Bollywood. Uday Chopra. Uday has no skill of acting, and for his bad acting expressions, Bollywood audience never accepted him. Tushar Kapoor. Tushar Kapoor is the worst example of nepotism as he got a chance only because of his father and sister. Bobby Deol. Bobby Deol is good at neither acting nor dancing. Being the star kid of Dharmendra, he kept getting projects in Bollywood. Write your thoughts in the comment section and please subscribe our channel for more updates.